to the GCFCE tonight. Just got some exciting news, and yes, it's 80s night. So I thought, well, if it's 80s night, we're bringing the most 80s car I have right now. There's not much more 80s than that dashboard right there. See, I'm wearing my Turn Up the Bass shirt. I think you guys will get a kick out of it. And you can be safe that it's probably not a Renault. If Dan and Paul are involved, it won't take you too many guesses anyway. But this is a real treat, I think, and probably one that's going on the road right away. So you don't have enough pickup trucks? Is that the problem, Paul?
No.
Basically, no.
Well, I was gonna buy it. I've never even seen it. I was gonna buy it, and then the deal didn't come together. I was told it was sold to somebody else. So then I bought that Subaru.
Yeah.
And then, of course, as soon as you pick up the Subaru, it's like, oh yeah, it is for sale. I'm like, oh, I have an issue.
What else can you do? Got to buy both.
Well, you can't. Yeah. Come look at it, Paul.
So are you looking forward to this? You waited quite a while to get this one.
Yeah, this has been... I already wrote this off in my head. Like, I was like, I'm not getting it.
Yeah.
Blah, 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 blah.
I haven't looked at it either, so...
All right,
we're
shall
waiting
we?
for you to get here, yes.
Oh, sweet.
It looks very, very clean, buddy. Surrey, BC.
It lived off of a gravel road without question. Oh yeah. Oh, it sits, if you look at the right height, maybe a little bit tall in the back.
Yeah, no, it sits nice. Sits up good. No rust. There's no rust, period. I was gonna say there's no rust.
Like the roof, like every one of these, the roof is just arsed.
Yeah.
And like, look at that.
Yeah.
You can see the sealer's gone,
Yeah.
but there's no rust.
Well, and it's not pouring out around where the mirrors are bolted on.
Grill is. Look how nice the grill shell is. That has to be the nicest one I've ever seen. Like, look how nice this is.
Even the grill surround is perfect.
That's what I mean.
Look at the front bumper. Yeah. Brand new. Oh man, this is gonna polish up so nice.
Oh, look at that! Look at the color key canopy, hey?
Oh, is it matching? It is.
It's coming off, but still.
Yeah.
Oh, that'll even polish up, hey? Yeah, look at it. It's the same color. It's definitely painted to match.
And it's got everybody's favorite wheel covers.
We're gonna go play frisbee.
Those are not even gonna last the next hour. Look at how straight that tailgate is.
Like you can. That's neat, hey? Yeah, factory Dodge bed mat.
Yeah, that's cool.
Right?
Bed mat.
Right. Look at that tire.
It hasn't been beat to death. Oh, there's not even a scratch.
It's never been used, other than the bed mat.
Yeah. Oh, that's lovely.
Oh, look at that interior. That's exactly the interior I was looking for. Like, exactly.
Oh, cool.
Oh, check this out.
The plaid.
Still got the decal on the back window, the miser.
The miser, that's the slant.
That was
6,
like the super value package. That was like the super fuel mileage package, wasn't it? Like 294s and an overdrive. Oh, yeah. You know what? I'm even going to leave my drink out. Wow.
And the dash is mint. And all the instruments are mint.
That's very lemony lemonade.
And factory radio. Nobody ever put a stereo in. What's the deletes up top? Is that AC? Probably.
Everything.
Yeah.
The vents would be AC ones, and then the left one would be the 4-wheel drive indicator.
Got AM. It's got AM FM, hey?
Yeah, it's got AM FM. Yeah.
Also, it's not quite as bass.
No cargo lamp though.
Yeah. No headliner. Nice tin headliner. Yeah. Pretty clean.
All
nice
the mirrors
too.
All the glass. Yeah, that's passable.
And stick. That's awesome.
This is God. See how good it runs though. Have you started it yet? Yeah, just like lightly get the choke on.
Are you kidding? Oh, I thought it stalled. It's actually running. Oh, we better pop the hood. Wow. That's a clean Slant Six. Still got it. Still got it.
Yeah.
I thought they discontinued that in the 70s.
I guess not.
No, I guess
nope,
not.
my Diplomat's got lean burn.
Yeah.
Oh, that's 85, yeah. And does my other truck have? I guess it was. It's pretty clean.
Yeah.
It looks like it has a new rat in it.
Hydraulic lifters.
Yeah. Yeah, I think 80, 81 was the last year of solid lifters.
Power steering way down there.
It's up at night with power steering.
Yeah. Oh, that's terrific.
It's like you can like the factory markings and stuff.
Original heater hoses.
Yep.
The jack is all still there. Amazing.
This is intact. Does it go all the way down?
Yeah, it goes all the way out the front. Still got it, yeah. And
it's so bassy, hey? Back it on the drawing board.
it's so quiet, eh? Oh, it's probably never been worked on. Nice.
Get the cloth.
Film sheet. Is that what I'm seeing there?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
What's going on back here? Is this a rain suit?
Nice.
I like how they put carpet down before they put all this stuff on top of it.
Oh, yeah. Rudder stripping's all mint.
Yeah. Like everything you could be gloves, duct tape, rope, super. Oh yeah, that's so neat, eh? This is Paul wanted to date you something,
Uh-huh.
and he's out of the muscle car industry.
Oh, look at those.
Yeah, sweet, hey?
That
Sweet.
looks great.
So I got these all mounted balanced today.
Oh, magic, man. Those look amazing.
We had the wheels in the basement forever, and I was actually going to paint them RCMP blue and put them on a cop car, or paint them black and put them on a cop car. And procrastination paid, yeah. Procrastination paid.
Great. Yeah, let's get those on there. Pronto.
It's been stocked for too long.
That's right.
More? Yeah, wait. Proper place for those.
Oh, you got some real ones.
Yes.
Oh yeah, man, that truck
Yes.
looks so much better already. Yes.
Oh, it's perfect. We have like 3 or 4 more of these ones. I just grabbed 4 of them though. I didn't even look.
Oh, that makes a huge difference. Oh,
Hey Paul,
let's
thanks
go.
for the truck. See ya, Paul.
Yeah, see ya, buddy. Yeah.
Yeah, insurance is in there. I already filled it with gas and everything. Wiper blades in the glove box. Have a good trip. Yeah. Danke. Oh, such a Slant Six.
Oh yeah. Lots of nice buzzer sounds still.
Oh yeah. He's really excited.
It's lovely. This thing's
We're just driving away with it.
yeah.
Speedo works.
Yeah, good. This is a great daily. Like you can just drive the shit out of this thing.
That's a good looking truck.
Oh, it looks. That is going to clean up so nice.
Just check the service manual first to see how it starts.
Yeah.
I think you just turn the key. Oh, there it goes. So bringing back memories of the old Plymouth. The exact same, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Drives just like my 61 Belvedere.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's the exact same.
Is it the same transmission?
Yeah, it's an overdrive. Yeah, it's the overdrive.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah. This one's probably a little tighter.
Yes, it's not nearly so as mine. I think mine has a lot of miles on it. It's light. There's not much to it. It feels peppy. You know, you don't need more than that.
No.
For daily driver, this has got plenty of power.
No, this thing's awesome.
I wouldn't change anything. Yeah.
We're not going to. This is how it's going to be.
Yeah.
Gonna polish it tomorrow.
Right on. Cheers. Okay, well the keys are in that one, so.
Yeah, I was gonna pop my hood when I got here just in case I wanted to fit in. So, is that an overheating thing?
I think they're the same year.
It's a Tiger thing.
Oh, it's to keep cat off of it.
Oh, that's actually a good idea.
Yeah, it even has the same shifter, doesn't it? Yeah, it's a side
everything.
shift.
Yeah, that's it. You're good. You're a long ways in. Fun.
Super fun.
Just make sure you go like 3/4 of the way up at least. Just not so fat cat can't get.
The Miser package, that's what this is.
Yeah, came with the
Gives you what?
previously thrown out full-size caps.
Yeah.
I believe the stripe, carpet, the deluxe seat, overdrive, 294s, hood ornament,
Carpet, deluxe seat, overdrive. That's an
Slant
A33.
yeah,
Slant
6,
Slant 6.
hood ornament,
294s.
sweet decal on the back window
Miser
apparently.
decal,
Yeah,
and the ornament.
yeah. This was old stock for sure. Yeah. Hey, let's read the original advertisement here.
The Miser.
It's the truck.
Oh, there she is.
There's the truck. Yeah, that's
the one.
probably the truck. Oh, no,
Probably
which
this.
mirrors does that one have?
No, it's
Yeah,
got
it
the
should
base.
have the small mirrors on it.
Yeah.
Ram Miser. So carpet,
Yeah.
body tape stripes, check.
Yeah, check.
Grill inserts, chrome,
Ooh.
check.
Oh, this?
Check, yeah.
Instead of just silver paint.
We'd have to refer to the base one next door.
Okay.
Dual horns, cigarette lighter,
Oh yeah, the crew
Nice.
cab's the same year.
day-night mirror, check.
Yeah.
Bright wheel covers, previously checked.
Yeah. Chucked.
Chucked, yes. 294s.
Yeah.
An ammeter gauge. Did it?
Oh,
Yeah, it did have
yeah.
that.
Yeah,
Yep.
an ammeter.
310 square feet of galvanized steel compared to the next closest at 250 in the Chevy.
It's what? It's equipped, not stripped. There
Equipped,
you go.
not stripped. Yeah.
I can't really call it a turn up the bass episode.
No, this is too
No,
fancy.
it's way too fancy.
Well, here's the Canadian one. All with his posh cars.
Yeah.
Estimated 35 miles to the gallon. Hoo-hoo. But then this other, the US ad, which was at 29 miles to the gallon. Your mileage may vary depending on speed, distance, and weather. Actual highway mileage will be less. Will probably be less.
Probably, yeah. What was the new price on this?
58.99.
$58.99.
Equipped, not stripped.
It's probably about the same price as
$58.99.
a Tempo. What was a Tempo? $5,000 probably?
I don't even know. No, they didn't come out till 84.
No.
That's a good title for the video. Equipped, not stripped. Power pack Dodge trucks.
Yeah. 150 custom short box.
I love how it's a shorty.
And this is a straight non-metallic red.
And the
Look at how
cabin-
straight the body is on this thing. Like, it looks
Never sat in
brand
parking lots or
new.
anything.
No, it's never been parked
I
anywhere.
like how this is color
Yeah.
keyed.
Yeah, it's really nice. And the stripes haven't even faded or fallen off.
It was definitely parked inside. Like somebody kept it indoors.
There you go. The Miser package.
Even the bumper is nice. Like, look how straight the bumper is.
Yeah.
It's not all shagged out.
No, the bumper's cherry. It's amazing.
This will polish so nice.
And this wheel polish. Like,
Oh, yes. This has never been polished before.
no, it's never been waxed. probably only been washed 4 times in the last 40 something years. So it's 43, 44 model years old.
That's crazy.
That's getting up there, yeah. Finding cars
Yeah,
that
this is
good.
definitely, this was the oldest stock car they have. Yeah, guaranteed.
Let's turn up the old stock.
Yeah, turn up the old stock. Yeah, because if you order something like this today, it would turn into old stock.
It's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.